So here you go folks, this is the welcome screen to my introduction to Backyard DIY Aquaponics. Now it's pretty basic. We have the guide home, we have DIYs, this is where all the material is housed, and you can see all the different subheadings. Naturally, we start with what is aquaponics and how does it work, starting aquaponics system, and then aquaponics system design, 9 essential components, so you get the idea. The majority of the information here at the moment is existing videos, and there is some unique content that I've made already, and I'll be continuing to add to that. The beauty of this function is though you can type in a search inquiry, or you can press the microphone button and go solids lifting outlet, and then we'll get some search results for that. And we can scroll through a little bit of a table of contents. We'll just go with this main one, hey, and have a bit of a gander at that. So yeah, you've got a basic explanation on what's going on. We can follow along with a transcript, and with this transcript, and just bring the video back, with this transcript we can jump to wherever we want and basically read along, see something that interests us and jump down to that area there. So yeah, very useful in that respect. Oh, by the way, for you folks who like to watch in bed while your partner is falling asleep, you can also follow along with closed captions. So that's pretty fantastic, I think. Not only that, it has been translated into a couple of different languages, so you can follow along with Spanish, or if you really want, you can listen to me in Spanish as well.
Pode ser adicionado em tanques de mineralização aerados que tornam os elementos mais disponíveis para as plantas e adicionados de volta ao.
Whoops, just gone back home. So I think it's going to be very helpful for you folks out there who are just getting into aquaponics and yeah, just want to be able to jump to bits and pieces of information that you think will help you out. So it's one of those things, it will be added to, as I said, continually. We'll flip this camera around, hey? So what really sold me with jumping on board with these Retrieve folks is the fact that I can add content to this guide down the line. There's already some parts lists I'd like to add, and also a couple of charts and bits and pieces. So I'll be looking at doing that in the next week or two. Also too, it's totally interactive in that you guys can ask me questions, get 2 free ones, just a small fee if you want to contact me and ask a short question. It's just basically an easy way for you to jump the queue and get your question answered within 24 hours because I can't keep up with all the comments on YouTube. Very sorry, I try to, but I just can't. It's a fact of life. So there you go folks, there's a bit of a walk through the guide, and thanks to anyone who does decide to make a purchase. I do keep in mind it will be an ever-growing knowledge base, and if there are any gaps that you see after you purchase it, let me know, and hopefully I'll be able to fill those gaps. And thank you very much for supporting the channel as well, we really appreciate it. But I will leave it there. I do hope that you folks are all well and happy and your gardens are booming and aquaponics, and I will catch you next video. Cheers folks, and happy growing. The beauty of this function is though you can type in a search inquiry or press the microphone button and go, whoops,